Angles in shapes. So part of our knowledge from junior cert will be different angles in different shapes. Let's have a look at this question. The diagram below shows a triangle ABC. The points D and E are on AB. We can see that point D and E, they are on line AB. And the points F and G are on AC. So again, F and G, and here we have line AC. So that DF, that is DF, EG, and BC are parallel. So those lines are parallel to each other. The size of some of the angles are given in the diagram. And we can see 28 and 72. So what do we need to do here? We need to work out the size of angle mark X, Y, and Z in the diagram. So the knowledge that we are using here is about letter F when it comes to angle, letter X, and letter Z. So that's types of different angles. So the idea is that letter F, those two sides are parallel to each other, and therefore these two angles are the same. That's what we call corresponding angles. Then when we have letter X, these two angles will be the same, and as well, this one will be the same. So they are called vertically opposite angles. And then we have letter Z, and again, the idea will be that this line is parallel to this line, and that means this angle here will be the same as this angle here, and they are called alternate angles. So here I can see, let's get some highlighter to work. So here we can see that this and this is my letter F. So that means that this angle and this angle are the same. They are the corresponding angles. So X is 72. Then we are saying, okay, very difficult not to see what is Y. And here, the idea is that in every triangle, doesn't matter what kind of triangle, all angle add up to 180. So if from 180 I take 28 because I have, and I take away 72, therefore I will be left with the last angle. And if we put that in the calculator, press equal, we get that that is 80. So that's my angle Y. And the last part that is remaining is angle Z. Now, let's not forget that that is parallel, isn't it? All of them are parallel. So that means that this angle here is as well 72. Well, all of that is a straight line. So all of that is what? 180, isn't it? Because a straight line angle is 180. So if from 180 we take away 72, we are left with angle Z, and if we put that in the calculator, we get that's 108. So again, that idea will as well go with us forward to the living cert. Usually there will be some question that will be using some, not all of those knowledge, but some of that knowledge.